So this is the openfile.ca website. This website's mainly for people to suggest stories in their local community for professional journalists to then go out and cover them. So we'll click on Hamilton. As you can see, has a lot of stories. The stories do use a lot of pictures mostly, but some stories do come with video. One good thing about it is you can always add to existing stories. Say you had video of this story, just click here, and it makes it pretty easy for you to upload a story from Vimeo or YouTube. Another good thing about the site is the way to share stories. So if you're knew a lot of people in the Hindu community, you could tweet about it on Twitter, sign into Twitter, link the story, or you could always use Facebook as well. Send it that way. Apparently, I already like this story. Also, you can follow OpenFile Hamilton on Twitter. So it's a good way to, I guess, learn about the stories they're covering in your community. It's always telling people to suggest stories all over the site. They make it really easy for you to do that as well. Put your story idea here. You don't have to be a journalist to do so. Postal code as to whereabouts the story is, and you can even upload a picture if you have one. You can also apply to work for OpenFile. They're always looking for photographers, videographers, or journalism, or people that are gonna, just write articles. And they make it easy enough for you to contact them, and you can just send them stories, story ideas, and yeah, it's pretty good for that. You can find the odd story with some pretty good video. This one here, reality TV bites for some local entrepreneurs. Click on that, and there's clearly a video uploaded from YouTube. This is a pretty good quality video about this guy's reality series.
I was a small town high school dropout with a dream to become the
So it's good that way. Also, probably one of the good things about this site is all the links from the articles. So big story right now is the election coming up. So if you clicked on here, you could see all kinds of links of all the candidates. So if you wanted to learn more about Donna Skelly, you can click on her name. It takes you to her website and learn all you want about Donna Skelly and her platforms and so on. One thing sort of lacking about the site is just sort of the interesting look on the site. I mean, that's the homepage, not a lot of pictures or videos. Like the creator of the site, Wolf Dinnick, says, it's a work in progress. I mean, this video here just kind of explains what the site's all about. Let me show you one sort of minor issue with this video.
Why rely on other people to tell you what's important in your neighborhood?
So if you wanted to see this video in full screen, that's what it looks like. You just get a dark screen.
Who knows what's going on around you?
You can hear the
better
audio,
than you. At OpenFile,
but you can't see it. So that's one small problem. But I mean, a lot of the articles do come with a lot of pictures, and like I say, the main thing about the site is being able to share the stories in your community that aren't being reported on, to somebody's liking. So it's a good way to share the stories with other people, and that's probably the most important thing about this site.